So first of all, what is the funnel? uh, Basically it's a sales process. Okay, it means a series of steps. You take your customer from one step to other, to third step, fourth step, fifth step, to eventually make him buy your main offer. Like there are lots of series of steps. One is your main offer, but sometimes you give him small things. You don't say that buy my this biggest product directly. Usually you will say that okay, try this, take the demo, then try this, then try this, then eventually you can do that. Or you can uh, think it of other way as well. The aim is to filter low quality clients. Basically, for example, if you are running an ad, lots of people will see your ad on the top. Basically, the top of the funnel, lots of people are seeing your ad, and then slowly they will come down. Okay, let's say my ad reached to 1 lakh people. Out of those 1 lakh people, let's say 20,000 people visited my landing page. Out of those 20,000 people, let's say uh, 2,000 people enrolled in my workshop. Out of those 2,000 people, maybe who enrolled in my workshop, they just registered that they want to attend the workshop. What will happen? 25% will come to my workshop. They will end up showing on the workshop. So 25% will join the workshop. So 500 is joining the workshop. And out of those 500 people, there will be 5-10% conversion for the main course. If I'm selling something online, it might be course, it might be some product, anything. For example, if you're into multi-level marketing industry, you can sell product. If you're into furniture industry, someone is from here is into furniture industry, he can sell his furnitures. So whatever is the thing, that is the process. We'll take more and more examples because funnel is the, you can say, the critical part for any ad. Okay,